Ready to elevate your business? Let's create a winning plan to attract investors. A solid business plan is crucial. Decide between a detailed traditional plan or a concise lean startup approach. Begin with an executive summary. Clearly state your mission and essential company details. Next, describe your products or services. Highlight pricing, benefits, and production details to draw investor interest. Analyze your market using data. Showcase consumer demand, market trends, and potential challenges. Address your financials. New businesses should include 5-year targets and funding requests, while established ones present financial statements. Consider 3 perspectives: yourself as the entrepreneur, your target market, and the investors. Show how you will address their needs. Incorporate these key elements for clarity. Make investors eager to invest in your vision. Don't wait. Start your business plan now and unlock your potential. Visit our website for expert resources and templates.